everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video we discussed some of the things related to jshell. In this video also we will continue with the jshell, but there is some difference. The last video I didn't work out the structure of my presentation. So basically when I went through some of the tutorial, they are following the same structure. They will do the hello world initially and not hello world, how to start jshell, and then after they are going to hello world, hello java message, and after that they are discussing about the variables. So in our case we already completed the variable declaration. So in variable declaration we have something else that I will discuss on this video. So variable declaration, we usually follow this method, right? If I have a variable with 1, I can define like this, and if I have a string, I can define like this. And I'm doing some values here, and it's stored in string variable. And the other one that I am going to do is string 2, and I am trying to store something else like a number. What's going to happen here in compatible type? That also fine because it's the basic Java things, right? So that's also fine. And if I am storing into the same variable, what's going to happen? So right now I'm displaying, okay, that's vars, right? Int a string, yeah, it's override the initial declare variable into this one. So that's also fine. But what I am going to discuss on this video is something different. So if you don't know the variable, or you need a variable with no type description, like I need to store integer, string, or any variable in a variable, how we can do that? We can use the var keyword. I don't know whether that's introduced in Java JDK 9 or something, but right now Java include that feature. So if I am defining something variable I and 1, and I am using the same vars, integer a is equal to 1, so it will identify the variable. So if you are not sure about one value, you can use the var keyword to store something. So here cr2 then vars. Okay, if I am changing, so basically there is a question. So if I am changing this variable, how it's gonna affect? Since I cannot change in this way, I guess. So if I am incompatible type, it cannot be converted into Java long string. So until we are defining the variable, its type, it's it will be a type uh, undefined. Then after assigning the first value to that, the the type, we cannot change that type again. So right now I have a question here. So string 2 I store as a string. Right now what I am going to do is I'm using the var keyword again, trying to store an integer. So right now it's fine. So the thing is, like, I can't change string 2 into integer even if I am defined as a string. You are using var keyword again, but if you are using string without var keyword, you cannot change. Here I can change into another variable since I am not changing the type. So for changing the type you need to use the var keyword, otherwise it's fine. So that's all about var keyword and type type independent variable declaration in Java. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.